Have you ever wished you could simply describe the code you want and have an AI assistant write it for you? Well, the future is here, and it's called Codestral, the first generative AI model for coding from French AI startup Mistral. What is Codestral? Codestral is a powerful AI model trained on over 80 programming languages, including Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. It's designed to help developers write and interact with code in a whole new way. With Codestral, you can complete coding functions, write tests, fill in partial code, and even ask questions about your codebase in plain English. The power of Codestral. Imagine being able to describe the functionality you want in natural language, and Codestral generates the code for you. No more struggling with syntax or spending hours debugging. Codestral can handle it all. And if you're stuck on a coding problem, just ask Codestral for help, and it will provide you with a solution or guide you in the right direction. But Codestral's capabilities go beyond just writing code. It can also analyze existing codebases, identify potential issues, and suggest improvements. This means you can use Codestral to streamline your development process, catch bugs early, and write more efficient and maintainable code. The future of coding with AI. While Codestral is still in its early stages and has some limitations, it represents a significant step forward in the integration of AI and coding. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced AI models that can tackle increasingly complex coding tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency. Imagine a future where AI assistants like Codestral become an integral part of every developer's toolkit, empowering them to focus on the bigger picture and solve more challenging problems, while leaving the tedious tasks to the AI. This could revolutionize the way we approach software development and potentially unlock new levels of innovation and productivity. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Codestral and other AI-powered coding tools are something to keep an eye on. While they may not be perfect yet, they offer a glimpse into the future of coding, where human intelligence and artificial intelligence work hand in hand to create amazing software solutions. Stay tuned for more updates on Codestral and other AI developments in the coding world.